In a bid to support and promote agricultural prosperity through food processing, Nongpoh MLA Miralborn's aim and former Umbroy MLA George B. Lingdo held a meeting with the Mauringkhat Primary Agroecology Cooperative Society Limited today at Mauringkhang village. The primary goal was to explore ways to enhance the farmers' economic stability through engagement in food processing activities. During the session, the cooperative society shared the initial efforts in producing bamboo shoot and chili pickle, which they have started exporting as a source of livelihood.
Agroecology Cooperative Society kepada ke way na ki unit mah ki primary unit yang ke state level abagiwan bani keduk yang ngaru tit katai ke juba pe ni lasdang na lede la tit ing tang jing pe ke te mah te le egum te lasdang tang kam ni layo uni rupi nu asyar layo am dak sing ka layat ke kam di bangin sedang bersi banwan kam ke layat abagiwan bani keduk ki am pe ni dengan lasdang ni layat kam ta hab yarap ipi yang te ani bangalai ring sekeren hab yarap kalang na kota jadi ni song nak kadnong kitap jing dokumen ke bakrau bani I bahkan ke grup ke yang lagi jum kejat kayat igi kam tertelun kana ikin ke ba kongsan adu compare ngidan sipungut ngidan sangun kajing klain jong kano kenun kam syong aging bunpan ke syong aging tristom ke jong.
In preparation for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2020